Hello and welcome to today's video. I am going to show you a makeup tutorial of my everyday makeup that I use with my glasses. And I'm starting with a primer from Smashbox to smooth out my pores. I then move on with concealer, and this one is the Instant Anti-Age Eraser from Maybelline. I'm just using my ring finger to tap this out really quickly. I'm then setting it with Maybelline Fit Me powder. I am using a Bare Minerals powder foundation today. I am finishing up the face with some bronzer. When I'm in a hurry and I do an everyday makeup, I usually just do bronzer and skip blush. Moving on with my brows, I start by brushing through them, and I am going to fill them in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer and the clear brow gel to set them. I'm not going to do much with my eyes, but I'm going to start by tight lining with this Mary Kay pencil in brown. I'm also going to do a small thin line above my eye. I wanted to define my crease, so I used just my bronzer to put something in the crease. Now it's just mascara and lips left, and I am starting with curling my eyelashes. I always do this before mascara, and I am using the L'Oreal Paradise. I am still loving this mascara. For lips, I'm using a liquid lip from NYX in a neutral color. And this is it for the makeup tutorial. I'm just gonna put on my glasses and get on with my day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.